Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA 1.4. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter Settings, go to Display, and here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start from the top of the list where you can change brightness level, enable or disable dark theme, night light, and change its intensity. We can enable or disable adaptive brightness, change white balance between warm and cold, screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, wallpaper, both for lock screen and home screen. We can enable or disable auto rotate screen, change font size, display size, screensaver, and manage our lock screen settings for notifications, to show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, and don't show notification at all. We can add text on lock screen and enable or disable show lockdown option. Display power button option that turns off smart lock, biometric unlocking and notifications on the lock screen. And that's all for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.